Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Peacock Premium subscription through the web to stop future charges, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your membership. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to peacocktv.com. Log in with the email address and password associated with your Peacock Premium account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the subscription or plan and billing section in your account settings. This will display your current subscription details and billing information. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription and click on it to proceed with canceling your premium membership. Step 5. Peacock may present you with alternative options, such as downgrading to a free plan or pausing your subscription temporarily. Review these options if interested. Step 6. Select Continue to Cancel or Cancel Subscription to confirm your decision. Peacock will ask you to verify that you want to end your paid membership. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Your Peacock Premium subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which you will not be charged again. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Peacock. This email serves as proof that your subscription has been canceled and will provide details about your remaining access period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.